Prime Minister Narendra Modi today announced that citizens of the sixth generation of Indian origin in Trinidad and Tobago will now be eligible for Overseas Citizen of India cards, allowing them to live and work in India without restrictions. The Supreme Court on Friday rejected a plea raising questions on the final answer key and results of the National Eligibility Entrance Test Undergraduate 2025 exam released by the National Testing Agency. Air India has denied allegations for British law firm Stewart's Law that it forced families of the AI-171 crash victims to disclose financial dependency on the deceased to get compensation. The Odisha government has requested the public to share any information related to the tragic stampede near the Gundicha temple in Puri during the Rath Yatra on June 29 that left 3 people dead and 50 others injured. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has announced an ex gratia of Rs 10 lakh to the families of each Odia worker who lost their lives in the Telangana factory explosion. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on Friday visited Deoghar district where he inaugurated 45 infrastructure and welfare projects including the long-awaited new bus terminal. He also laid the foundation stone of 6 upcoming projects. President Donald Trump has announced that the US administration will start sending letters informing trading partners of their tariff rates as soon as Friday, even as negotiations with various countries including India to avoid higher US levies have stretched into the last lap. In a landmark achievement for gender equality in the Indian Armed Forces, Sub-Lieutenant Astha Punia has made history by becoming the first woman to be inducted into the fighter stream of naval aviation. President Draupadi Murmu unveiled and flagged off the trophies of the Durand Cup 2025 at a grand ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Centre on Friday. In cricket, England was 88 for 5 when the last reports came on day 4 of the second test at Edgbaston, Birmingham. Earlier, Captain Subman Gill's majestic 269-run knock helped India post a mammoth 587-run total in the first inning against hosts England.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।